everyone, hello. It's your one and only Lady J.O. If you have not subscribed, please hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell so that if I put more video, you will be the first person to know. And if you have subscribed here before, thank you, God bless you. My people, I just see one video we just they go viral this since yesterday. I've been since day before yesterday now. About all those single mothers of a teen. Single mother, they cause Chris. Single mother now. That is single mother before. I don't understand. It could maybe we see they put respect for our body. But would they put respect for our body? Me don't understand these girls of nowadays. All those girls of nowadays, me I don't understand now. Una know one video when I just see what one girl just did do. The thing just tired me really. Me not just understand the way our girls they behave this time. This girl, they jogodo with his boyfriend for the presence of a pikin. A pikin just sit down, they look them. A pikin just sit down, they look them. This girl just they jogodo. The man just they give her from back. They jogodo, they do am, they dwellize and they vandalize and they for the presence of a pikin. Like, are you kidding me right now, this woman? Eh? I don't understand. Okay, if una pikin come they practice this thing tomorrow, now una come they say una don't know where they for learn now. Whereas now, what you they teach them since? Eh? So women, me I not just understand now, really, eh? I not just understand the way some women say they behave. Like, are you serious right now? You could just the jogodo with your pikin for the presence of you the jogodo with another man for the presence of your pikin. The presence of your pikin, your pikin just sit down, they look them. Okay, let's assume tomorrow now. They can't collect they can't see what this pikin. Maybe this pikin can't go school tomorrow. They can't go they do this thing tomorrow now. They can't say they can't collect her. You can't crack come for social media. Now so they don't collect my pikin though. Now so they don't do this one no. Whereas now she use her hand take cause the problem with the worry am. Now she use her hand take cause am. She no go talk like that again no. You go say no, you don't know where you for learn. Eh? Okay, if social where they help you now. Let's assume say you did the country where they for the help now. Social where they help you now, they can't know this kind of thing what you do and they can't collect your pikin, you can't begin the shot. Whereas now you cause am. Me no understand so this woman. Okay, wait me I want ask you. If person wants to enjoy himself before he want jogodo, una no go do am private. But see, and another person even the video they don't even know. So you not feel lock door again. And so the thing can't sweet you rich. Even to lock door na problem for you. Even to lock door na problem for you. This woman. Why don't they give all those single mothers bad name? Why? Why don't they give them bad name? You want jogodo again, you not feel do am private. You must still do it for the presence of your pikin. Your pikin just sit down, they look you. I beg, more they put respect for una body, really. More they put respect for una body. Okay, you get one that time when I hear when one blogger call talk that time for YouTube when the woman said they collect pikin, they say pikin go they practice all those jogodo things with another pikin for school. The woman say God forbid though, if pikin not go fit do that kind of thing though, this that oh, but who know whether or what they do for their present? Who know? Okay, see this one now. Just see this one now. If you not see, not be say YouTube not they allow all those kind of things. This video now, what everybody even supposed to even see, but YouTube not they allow those kind of video for yeah. If not, I put up. Wanna see what this woman do? Hey, what do you do now? Go to this woman. So you not feel joke the way your pikin don't they sleep. Now when your pikin just eye open, now you they do that kind of thing. Who does that? This woman, no. Because why they talk this thing now? Tomorrow now, na come here say they collect this kind of my pikin now. They'll say, social people, they don't collect pikin though. They be bad people, but what now they do? Which own training now they give on a pikin now? Which good thing you they teach your pikin now? Where be say you not feel hide all those kind of things for your pikin, they do it for a present. So what do you they teach this pikin now? Like what? Which good thing that you teach this pikin now? For what you do now, this woman? For what you just do now? I don't understand some women. This man just they give am for back. If pikin just sit down there, just if they look them. Now so that one when go drink tramadol, they sleep with a woman that time. Now so the same thing when they get they do if pikin they look am. He said they give her a phone now. They give am phone mate they play. I don't know, they feel all those children they don't get sense. Eh? One of they give on self-respect now, those single mothers. One of they give on self-respect. One of they give on self-respect. One of they give on self-respect. I beg. One of they give on self-respect. Okay, see what this woman do now. Now good thing. Now good thing by people. Some women, una just do una body really. Una if full yak butter, if full everywhere for that body. Some women, just the jogo, the boy self and you self now every character. Even the way you even be self, you even show say you never feel responsible really. Because if now some guys with shame really they how you go say let this picky first sleep first I beg. Now so the thing can just hungry the 12 now we be say even door na not lock. Now other person the video now. In the video now not even know. You just did this off with the video now because you know say 12 now shame no dey una eye. Now make it off with just video now make it bring a come out. I don't understand. This old me will be say you go suffer with do one in a respectful way. You with the man una go enjoy on yourself. You can't turn the one will be say na social media will come the carry una. Me I don't understand. I beg women if you don't want jogodo, if you get pikin, let that pikin sleep first. Let pikin sleep first. You know good one of they do all those things for where children dey. The children they wash una na. You know good. Because why are they talking? Tomorrow now, this social people where they help una now come know now say see what una they do for una pikin present they come collect am. Una come begin the shout for social media. Una go they use una problem till they worry another person. Una begin the shout say they don't collect pikin from una. But una no go talk what una they do. Now una they cause am. Now una they cause am. Some women, that is I just see this video, I provoke it. It invest me really. It really invest me because the way some women take the art, they surprise me. Yeah, it surprised me really. When I know they behave like that again, I beg. It's not good. Any small thing on social media, that person go see them. Are you serious? This woman? So he can't scratch you. He not come quick you even lock door. I don't even surprise me pass. Even door you not lock. Maybe now those social apps now whether they give them one room, this one go there, this one go there you. Since you not lock door, now your roommates begin the video you. You begin the video you. You begin you all sit down there so for the look. A single mother say we see me. I see me. Because now people like Una, they give all those single mothers bad name. People like Una. Yeah. People like Una. Because who don't know now go just look and say all the single mothers are the same, whereas they don't be the same. They don't be the same. It just provoked me really. You really like it just because I don't like women where be say they know they put respect for their body. Woman supposed to give you self-respect. Yeah. Woman, you give yourself. Now man go to cherish you. Now man go tell no say this girl you really want her to be my wife. Yeah. But not be this one that you just do now. Social media don't carry everybody. Which eye you say me they tell look you now. You see, get one video where they said for me where the woman a single mother too. That one just they shook. Whether that one not gonna see man where Jogo do and me I don't know for that one. That one just carry all those vibrators where they use. If they shook am for a honey pot. If they shook am, it begin they cry. If they shook am, they scream. Only you one for his house there. You not gonna just see man again now. You can say that one you want carry the shook for your body. He just pull his leg down, your makeup, in fact everything dey outside now. So which are you saving matter look you? Which respect? And when they forget say social media, the whole world is watching you. The whole world, they are watching you. Africa, everybody, your family will consider that kind of thing. No, but you don't give them disgrace, now be that one. You don't put disgrace for yourself. I beg me with the respect each other. Our women, more than the respect on ourselves. Please, so that me man respect you too. Tomorrow now so that not serious more now they look for hook up, they go for everywhere. Whereas now use na and take cause problem with the world now. And people, I beg. I just like the thing just really provoked me when I just see this video. You know, good women, if you want to jogodo with your man, I beg let pikin first sleep first. You know they run. Pikin must sleep. If you sleep, now I'll do it when I want to. Fine. Yeah. So thank you everybody. I just want to do this video short. I don't want to make it too long. Thank you. Take care. Bye. Please, if you like this video, give this video a thumbs up and share this video for me so that make you reach this single mother and this woman will do this art, so will do this thing so that make this video reach in hand. So thank you. Take care everybody. Bye.